Do you look like this on your Zoom meetings? You probably don't have an arsenal of professional lighting gear at your disposal, but that doesn't mean you can't make some thoughtful decisions so people can actually see your face. The biggest mistake I see is when you situate yourself underneath overhead lighting, either office can light or sitting underneath your dining room chandelier. Unless dark circles under your eyes is your signature look, please don't do that. For the love of your coworkers or your clients. Be in the shot? So what can you do at home? Find yourself a nice north-facing window. Just like the painters in 1930s Paris, you want indirect soft light. That doesn't mean sitting in front of it. You want that light to be on your face, not overpowering your laptop camera.
For good audio, use a pair of earbud headphones, or even a wireless headset will work. Just make sure it has a microphone.
If all you have is an overhead light, then move your chair back a few feet. Having the light in front of you will at least light up your eyes, and that helps build connection and trust.